light gleams, lived a tiny inchworm with the biggest dreams. She wiggled from her leaf with eyes so wide. I'll climb that flower way up to the sky. Inch by inch, she made her way, singing her song through the dewy day. A butterfly cheered her from above as ivy climbed with heart and love. Oh, ivy brave and small, you've got courage to stand tall. You may be tiny, but dreams still grow, inch by inch with a steady glow. She helped a ladybug caught in dew, with careful legs and kindness too. Thank you, Ivy, the bug flew freely, promising friendship eternally. She climbed the stem with careful might, reaching petals bathed in light. But then the wind began to blow. Oh no, ivy started to go. Ivy brave and small, even when you start to fall, love lifts you when the skies get wild. Like a hero, like a child, the ladybug swooped, her wings so wide, and ivy clung for the gentle ride. Back on the ground they laughed with cheer. Tomorrow's flower climb starts right here. Follow ivy, inch by inch you go, through windy highs and kindness low. With friends around, the world feels right. Adventure begins with hearts so light.
Yo, what's up, edgers? It's Eli on the beat, and we got Ivy the inchworm in the building. She's small, but she's got big energy. Let's wiggle, let's groove, and rep that letter I. Eyes for inchworm, tiny and bold. She slides on the beat, smooth and cold. Inch by inch, she's doing her thing, waving at Eli, doing her swing. I is for inchworm, look at her vibe, grooving through petals with a smile so wide. Big dreams, tiny steps on the move. Eyeliners cheering, yeah, girl, you got groove. Ivy hit the garden, doing her rounds, cruising on leaves, riding the sound. Saw a bug stuck, couldn't get free. She stepped up quick like a hero bee. Hey yo, can you inch like Ivy?